Good morning, everyone. Well, this is my baby welcome box from Walmart. It's free. It is really free. So I'm gonna open this to see what's inside. Well, ready? Let's see. Oh my goodness! I can't wait. Oh, this is so cute. Aww. Oh, for my little baby right here. There's a little baby right here in my stomach. Aww. Aww, I love this. Oh, baby doll. This one. Wow. This one. Babies. This one. We have wipes. Papers. Let's read this. It says, "Congrats! I'm so delighted you choose Walmart Baby to be a part of your special journey. I'll be here to help you build your dream registry and anything else you may need along the way. I can't wait. Your register assistant, Ho." We have this one and what is this? Is this coupon or I don't know, what is this? This one. And lastly, what is this? Is there something inside? I don't want to open this. Okay, let's see. Wow, I love this present for my baby. Early Christmas gift for my baby. They arrived just around Christmas. Okay. I'm gonna open this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are months old. Oh, for my baby. 1 month. 2 months. 3 months. 4 and so on until 12. Wow, I'm gonna save this for my baby, for my little one. Well, I think that's all for today. Let me show you again what I have. What we have here. Uh-oh. Sorry. This little bottle here. This here. I'm sorry, the camera. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Okay, bye.